Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting essentials ready: your Apple ID and password, the device passcode, and a current backup. Once done, make an iCloud or encrypted computer backup so you can recover data. Make sure the device is charged and on Wi-Fi. Don't waste time on settings you won't need. Go straight to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset. This groundwork prevents data loss and ensures you can remove screen time reliably. There's no shortcut without erasing the device. Now proceed to erase the device, which is the only sure way to remove an unknown screen time passcode. You'll tap Settings, General Transfer, or Reset, erase all content and settings. You must enter your device passcode and Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. Once you confirm, the phone will erase and reboot. This can take several minutes. Make sure you don't interrupt the process. When it finishes, you'll arrive at the Setup Assistant to restore or start fresh. Finish by choosing whether to restore from the backup you made or to set up as new. If you restore, sign in with your Apple ID and re-enable screen time, creating a new passcode you'll remember. If you set up fresh, you can start screen time clean. If activation lock or an unknown Apple ID prompt appears, stop and contact Apple support with proof of purchase. This is the key troubleshooting step. They can help remove activation lock if you prove ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.